beginning, I think a lot of people did not believe that this could be done at all.
It had defined an own class, an own league of super sports cars.
A real unique and valuable piece of art.
The thing that makes the great Bugatti is beneath that beauty you've got engineering perfection.
It is the soul and the heart of the car.
We are achieving the stiffest and one of the strongest cars in the world. For me, this car is more airplane than a car.
I'm getting away! Whoa!
It's the 1,200 horsepower.
Go for it! 150! Hands up!
That's crazy. I love it.
Dual clutch gearbox and the way it works, super impressive.
Der Bugatti Veyron ist ein Monster im Smoking.
Let's just push the little pedal on the right and see what happens. Holy cow, that is amazing.
There's no other car faster or can accelerate harder than this. You know, it's not really acceleration, it's teleportation.
Takes me beyond the known borders of car performance.
So, jetzt wollen wir uns mal anschauen, was das Baby drauf hat. Here we go, 170, 150, Der geilste Tag in meinem Abenteuerauto.
The Supersport did it in 1:16.8. Fastest car ever. It is the most unbelievable piece of machinery on the planet, full stop.
Pure emotions, and ladies and gentlemen, now the first Veyron meets number 450, the Grand Sport La Finale. (1,200 horsepower), the fastest production roadster in the world. It shines in red exposed carbon fiber. It is the first time we are offering this color for exposed carbon fiber, bringing the total number of colors available in carbon fiber up to 8. Bugatti has developed an unparalleled expertise when it comes to high-tech materials and processes, which are more common in other sectors of our industry. This has made the brand a valuable laboratory for the Volkswagen Group. And ladies and gentlemen, with more than 100 years of history, which have generated spectacular cars, such as the Type 35, the Bugatti Royale, the Atlantique, the EB 110, and we have reached a new highlight with the Bugatti Veyron. Now, we are looking forward to an exciting future. After finishing Veyron production at our headquarters in Molsheim, we are preparing another top story in the automotive industry. With the next Bugatti, we will underpin our claim of leadership. We will take and make the best even better. We will use the potential of our legendary W16 engine as the heart of the next Bugatti. The next Bugatti will continue to be an iconic car that is ultimate, pure and authentic in its own way. A thoroughbred representing the pure essence of a super sports car. It will be more powerful, it will be faster, and I can guarantee it will be more breathtaking. But today, ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate the best there is today, the Bugatti Veyron. We celebrate the first and number 450. I invite you to enter our stand after this press conference to see this unique assembly of Veyron number 1 and Veyron number 450, La Finale. Thank you very much.